आज कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की सच्ची बातें और अच्छी बातों के बारे में बात करने आई हूँ। सच्ची बातें वो होती हैं जो what actually is the real thing of a university, और अच्छी बातें वो होती हैं that what they claim to be. A lot of time they try to lure or deceive students by misleading advertisements. What you can do is research about it, talk to many people such as alumni, the teachers or the current students in the university. Go to the university, check if the advertisement is actually true or not. And many things, because universities try to play around with students on very big things such as placements. They claim to have a lot exaggerated number of placement while the truth is something else. And also they beautify their campus, but in real there could be a lot of difference. They say we have this facility, we have AC in there. There could be a possibility that only a certain area of that campus might have air conditions, while they will be claiming that they have air conditions in every classroom. So you have to be very careful about what's the truth, and go to the university and check if what they are claiming is actually true or not, and ask a lot of questions before getting into a university. Now let me get into what are the actual truths of these claims. Some of the universities might be actually misleading you, such as student testimonials on the university websites could also be falsely represented, since they might just choose the positive ones, and so you might just do not know what is the actual experience of a student. So I would recommend for you to at least speak with the current student or an alumni, so that you actually know what were the experiences in the university. Saying that every university is involved in unethical practices of advertising and are trying to lure students by false advertisements, but I'll be just showcasing you how some of the universities might be trying to lure you, like what are the sachi baatein behind their achhi baatein. So let's discover to you a placement scam made by a institute in Kolkata, an engineering institute. They said that there will be 87.5% of placement, while let's see what's the truth. Now I'll show you a news report by Business Standard from May 2019, which presented that in March 2019 itself, Advertising Standard Council of India upheld complaints against 229 misleading advertisements, and to the surprise, most were from education sector. यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं क्या अच्छी बातें बोली जाती हैं, पर क्या सच्ची बातें हो सकती हैं। सतर्क रहिए, अपना रिसर्च करिए, अच्छे से रिसर्च करिए. Talk to real people who have been a part of that college or university.